Guys, welcome back to my channel and the video. So today's a very short video. These are mainly stuff that were sent to me. So I was sharing what was sent to me. And I think I purchased probably 2 or 3 things. Let us see. Alright, so some of the things that were already unboxed because they came with some huge packaging, just one item. And I decided to take out some of them. And then there were few that needed to do the job for, so I had to unbox those. Time sensitive, so yeah. So this was sent to me. It's like it's a pack of 6. They put like a ketchup, a mayo, mustard, relish. It's a squeeze bottle, so it's a pack of 6, and they're supposed to just take a photo, put it, and so forth. But it's nice. The material is sturdy. It feels premium, so I can use it in the kitchen. Just put ketchup in it and so forth, and it's easy to squeeze out for on your little hot dog or your fries or whatever you use those stuff to, right? So yeah. Oh, all links will be in the description box below, just in case you're interested in what I have here. So this was also sent to me. It is Serafina 2-in-1 Hormone Balance plus Vaginal Probiotic. So it's 90 capsules in it. And the serving size is 3 capsules a day. That's a lot. But it has like cranberry, some nice things like, B12, cranberry, some other type of herbs and something there. Yeah. So I will leave the photo in the frame. I can check it out. Alright. To the month supply. Alright, so wait, it's over here. So this now I can pull this guys, this is mine. Hold on. So this is a bed bug treatment. So I do traveling, right? So my coworker told me a story about bed bugs, and I'm making a story about bed bugs, and they're like a paranoid, So I have my little UV flashlight and something there. Probably I will do a video on what I pack when I travel, the stuff I bring and so forth to help me sleep peaceful at night when I'm away from my home. So this is Hygia Natural Extra Strength Bed Bug Treatment. There's a travel size, so it's TSA approved. You can put it in your carry-on or your personal knapsack. They won't bother you because it's free fluid tones, right? And they also packed tips, travel tips on it. So they let you know where to look on the mattress and then something there. And just be aware. Just be aware. I don't want that happen to you. So I will leave. I haven't used that yet. It was full. But I'll be carrying it on my trip. Alright, this Polaroid too. So this is a birth comb. No, I'm not expecting. These people just send stuff to me. I just either take a photo or do an unboxing video. I do different tasks, right? So this was just a photo. Which was sent to me. So this they claim is like acupuncture. So it has a nice affirmation. They say, "You've got this, girl. Like you've got this, Miss Mama Natural." So they say you're supposed to. Also, I don't say if you do. Yeah, you have it right here, and you squeeze it when you're experiencing contraction. So it will ease the pressure and it relaxes the mind as well. So it helps with anxiety, helps with the pain. I think that's what they say. But they say the acupuncture point it calms the mind and helps with anxiety. So you just take a deep breath and just squeeze the comb. Like it less like you see in a show when you squeeze the partner hand, you squeeze the comb. So you put this in a little maternity bag. So I can put it in the description box below. So if you want, you can get one. If you're expecting or if somebody's expecting, you can send one to them. Right? I think that's good sturdy comb too. But yeah, Mama Natural birth comb. Um, this is a phone holder. If my memory serves me correct, it should be one that you put on the glass. So it's yes, it will help me like if I'm doing like morning routine where I'm at the bathroom glass, I can put the just stick it on the glass and do what I'm doing and get a nice angle when I'm recording. So I'll be doing a video after this shortly. I won't combine it. About the stuff that I have for content creation purposes. So yeah, so this is the phone with a suction on the glass or any smooth surface. This remember what is in this. Remember when I just how to circle. Oh, yeah. Okay. So mm, so I did a video earlier. My first attempt in doing a full face makeup. So when I was doing the eyeshadow, I saw on TikTok that it's best to use an eyeshadow primer to make the color pop. Now I don't have any eyeshadow on me now to try to see, test the theory. So this is Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer by Elizabeth Mott. So when I do it again, I can pull it fully. And this now is the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in the shade Espresso. I want some on my eyebrow already now, but let me try. And that's what I do. Oh, so let's see. A fine, very micro. Yeah, so let me see. It actually, you can barely see it through the backside. So you just gently fill in. I just already have something on my eyebrows already. From this one, just see. It's not so dark, I guess. Not that dark. It's not so dark. So, and my eyebrows, them all line up too. I mean, I'm something for me nearby. I'm a spoolie to shape it up, but you can barely see it. You can barely. Let's see if I can show you. You see? Super fine. So yeah, so you fill your brows with this, and the shade, not so bad, dark. This now, this is INV by Kiss INV Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive. So I was trying to put on eyelashes, but the lashes then when we get, they're apparently clustered, and I didn't know. but it was strip. So I'm supposed to get some strip lashes. So hopefully come in time when I'm going to attempt the full glam again. So yeah, it claims that it hold the things them, all the lashes them long. Let me see. And I think it's supposed to be clear, yeah. So it's clear. Let's pull it. It's so easy. And get some lashes. It have a little white look, but I guess when you put it on, it should be clear. Like dry is clear, I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, this is what I have. That's what I have today. Just a little bit of supplements, travel stuff, content stuff. Sure, content stuff, makeup, side job or side hustle. Side hustle. Please, we have reached the end of this video. Basically, I don't think I have anything else to show you. So please like, share, comment if you be trying any of these, and subscribe. Please and thank you. Share it to our friend, our family, relative, everybody, basically. We're trying to climb the milestones. So yeah, and follow me on all socials at Jetal's Discovery, because as I said before, I post different things on different platforms, and I tend to go TikTok live, right? So if you want, I know 2 months back video, you want to see me know, no hairstyle on Twitter today, TikTok live, because I'll be going live shortly after this video film. So yeah, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.